Hello, Kitty Bums. How you guys doing today? Welcome to chapter 4, the chapter on types of data. You remember integers, floating, and what else? Strings. All these things are data types or types of data. Also, remember that we can store these information in something called a variable, right? Well, in Python, right, the string, the floating point, the integer, these are all the things that we classify them to be as data types. And this chapter is dedicated to talking about data types and everything that has to do about data types. In this chapter, we are going to learn whether something is we're going to learn how to tell whether something is a string, how something is an integer, how something is a floating point. We're also going to learn how to convert an integer to a floating point, and also learn about how to convert a floating point number to an integer, and also how we can convert a string to an integer. So that's what we're going to learn just to make our life easier. If you guys remember in the previous lesson, you had to do it if you want to tell Python to give you a floating point number back. You did 5.0. Well, there's a really cool trick. There's a really nice, sleek way of doing that. And this chapter is dedicated to all about that. And once again, welcome to the chapter on types of data. And don't forget that the string, the integer, the floating point, these three things that we've already learned, they are data types in Python. And I hope you guys are really excited about this unit, this chapter, I should say. Click on to the next video, and we'll start there.